friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and if you are like me, you are starting to decorate your home for spring. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you 5 ways to decorate your entryway for spring using florals and greenery. They are all very budget friendly, and I think this video is something that will give you tons of inspiration and tips on how to decorate your entryway for spring to get that luxe look for less, all on a budget. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching. All right, so here is our first look. I wanted to bring in something that represents spring to me, and that is not always florals. I showed you guys these branches in a haul video. If you missed that video, I picked these up from Amazon. I will leave a link for that video in the description box down below, as well as in the iCards above. But I think it just screams spring. When paired with my regular black and white, it really pops against the canvases that I picked up. Absolutely love this spring look. I showed you a quick short of this decor that I was going to use to decorate here for spring and Easter. And I think this first look is very modern, very simplistic, perfect for me, and it might give you some ideas for decorating for spring as well if you have a more modern aesthetic look for your home. So this is the first look. Alright guys, so here is our second entryway styling. We are using the floral arrangement that I put together using Dollar Tree florals. I love the way these look. You would not think they came from the Dollar Tree. They look very high-end to me. I did a video on how I put this floral arrangement together, so if you missed that video, I will leave a link for it in the description box down below as well. And I have paired it with these marble candle holders that I picked up from Ross. The taller one was $11.99, the smaller one was $8.99. Very budget friendly. The florals from the Dollar Tree, we have probably about $6 worth of florals in there. The vase is thrifted and it was $1.99. And of course, you guys have seen this lamp before. I used it in my winter entryway decor styling, and I will leave a link for that video down below in case you are interested. But the gold tone, or the champagne color from the lamp, pairs really well with the gold tones on the candles and the floral arrangement in the center. It's just perfect. It's simple, modern, elegant, and it looks really well with the canvases that I picked up from World Market as well. So this is our second entryway styling using inexpensive florals and decor. You don't have to spend a lot of money. My channel is all about getting that luxe look for less. So if you are enjoying today's content so far and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. So for our third floral arrangement, we are going for a more glam look. So I have brought out my glam candle holders, and I have just turned the big center one into a vase. And we are using florals that I picked up on clearance from, I think Michael's is where I got the green hydrangeas. Oh, actually, no, they're from Walmart. Yeah, these florals are from Walmart. I forgot about that. So the hydrangeas were $5 a piece, a little pricey for Walmart, but the flower quality is very good. These also came from Walmart. They were $5 a stem. And this vase is something I picked up on clearance from Home Goods last year. I think right after the stores were allowed to open from the pandemic. And it's a very simple, elegant floral arrangement, and I am pairing it with candle holders that I also picked up from Home Goods. And these little glam blingy candle holders are from Ross. I use them all the time. You've seen them everywhere. But this is another look for spring. If you are a glam girl, this might be an idea for you. And we just kept our lamp because I love it, so I'm not going to change that. But this is our third look. Very glam, very elegant, and again, very budget friendly. Now on to our fourth look. All right, guys, here is our fourth look. Very easy, simple floral arrangement that screams spring. This is also a floral arrangement that I put together using Dollar Tree florals, but I also added in some additional flowers. So if you missed that video, again, I will leave a link for it down below so you can go check it out. But we have added these pretty Japanese cherry blossoms that I picked up from Amazon. Very budget friendly. I think they were like $8.99. So pretty. Love the pale pink. It goes so well with our Dollar Tree florals. And then I added more of the succulent picks that I picked up on clearance from CB2. It just gives it that extra pop of glam. And I have paired it with a candle that I picked up on clearance from TJ Maxx. I want to say it was a Christmas candle. $6. I think that's what it says. Yeah, $9. $9 or $6. But anyway, very inexpensive, very big candle. And it has like a nutmeggy smell. So I think it was a like I said, a Christmas candle. But you can burn candles anytime for any type of fragrance. But you can burn candles anytime for any type of fragrance. So I just picked it up. But I think it looks really luxe here. Again, another high-end luxe look for less, using some Dollar Tree florals along with some other flowers that I picked up. Oh, so pretty for spring. So again, this is our fourth look. Now on to our final and fifth look for decorating with florals for spring. Alright guys, so here is our fifth and final look using florals to decorate for spring in your entryway. And this is another floral arrangement that I put together. I originally had this in my kitchen, but I decided to bring it out here. It's so modern, so elegant. This vase is a DIY. Again, I will leave a link for that video down below in case you want to check that out. Again, we are using florals that I picked up from, some of these are from Amazon. This one, like I said, is from CB2. It was $4.99 on clearance. These lilies came from Amazon. So pretty, so realistic. I love the little buds on them. The peonies came from Amazon as well. A very modern, very sophisticated floral arrangement for spring. Again, these may not be your colors for spring. That is why I've shown you some bright and vibrant colors along with some soft and muted colors, so you can use any colors in your home to decorate for spring any way you like. So this is my typical style of color. I love the muted greens. I love white and black together. So modern, sophisticated. I have paired it with these vases that I picked up on clearance from Home Goods. Again, very budget friendly. I always shop the clearance aisle first when I go to Home Goods. That is the first place I head to. And I'm so glad because that's where I found these vases. Absolutely love them. So I hope this video has given you some inspiration and some tips and ideas on how to decorate your home, not only on a budget, but get that high-end look for less. I've shown you some spring decor styles that you can use, some ways to use florals in your home for spring, whether they be bright or muted. I've enjoyed today's content and it has given you some ideas and some inspiration. If so, please give the video a like and a thumbs up. And if you have enjoyed today's content and you are not yet a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, I hope you hit that subscribe button and join the family. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.